Hi guys, welcome to Digital Rakesh channel. A lot of people are worried about that in how we can add in for Google AdSense code on the particular WordPress website. So how we can increase the earnings. This is very important is called without having problem with the customers. How we can add in for Google AdSense code. Now we can go to steps. If you go to any website, people are getting this ad. They will automatically close option will be there. That mean by they did not disturb the customers. When you go to other page, the ad will automatically coming from here. We can using for close option. In this ad, how can adding for WordPress website? How can adding for WordPress website? In this WordPress, we have to log in first of all your WordPress account. First of all, I'm logging for WordPress account. After login, we have to option is called plugin. The plugin name is called, we have to install the plugin name, insert header and footers plugin. Insert headers and footer plugin. So how we can add in for Google AdSense code on the footer part. In this purpose, we have two options will be there. With the close button, without close button. Suppose if I'm adding this code, first of all, so I'm copy this code and updating for in this plugin where the plugin will be visible into setting option. Here in the setting, insert header and footer. The plugin will be is totally free to access your Google AdSense code or any other coding purpose. If you are custom HTML code, that is purpose we are using for this plugin. Select here. In this, we can add in for footer part. Paste it and click for save. After that, refresh. The ad will be coming to the footer part without close button. Without close button. So how we can add in for with the close button option? The complete code will be different. This code will be available onto the my website rakeshtechsolutions.com. So in this way, go to blog. You can find out by this code in the blog option. So now we have to follow this block. We can find out the best codes. The code here where you can add the code will be here. Where our code is there. This is our Google AdSense code. Where up to script. Only you can add your own code by using this coding part. The coding will be there. Where I am display for Google AdSense code, you can display by the Google AdSense code here. After that, we have to with the close button. Now with the close button, just you can copy the content. Now place on the previous code where the code will be here. In the previous, we can paste our code will be here. The coding in this paste will be here. Paste it. Now will be save. Now open for the incognito window. The close button will be open for here. So automatically will be close your particular ad option. So here we can go to any other page will be changing here. So automatically the code will be visible to the particular customer's option. So guys, this also will be there. You can close this option. So depend on the page, we have to check for every option there here to show the page in the ad here. So this is nothing but close button. So ad will be copied from here and that only for display for ad here, there will be particular pixel 728 by 90 we can use a pixel and display by the in a particular website. Now here will be showing for in this particular will be displayed by the in a particular close button. This ad display by each and every page. If is not required that ad, we can close the particular button. So this is will be ad display by the WordPress website with the close button and without close button. This code will be there. In this code, only one change will be there. You can add your own Google AdSense code and update by the WordPress website using the plugin name called Insert Header and Footer plugin. Use the plugin and use from the WordPress. Increase your earnings by using close button. That mean by nobody customer for interact with your ads. So if they not interact with you, they will be click for close button. So this is a maintain from your WordPress website. Increase your ad views and particular name purpose without disturbance customers. This is a very important format. By using by footer format, this will be using by common footer for all pages. So when you open any kind of pages, automated ad will be shown to customers when page will be indexed. The ad will be not display nothing but the page will be does not index. If you're not interested, you can close your particular ad option on the WordPress website. Guys, anyone is a issue from the code, please comment me on the comment box or chat with me in the WhatsApp. I definitely give the options. If you want anyone learn more WordPress, we can join the platform will be there for the joining for WordPress related tutorials. The basic will be 199 and high-end package will be 799. We have to charge will be in the particular offers. You can select offers will be here to learning the each and every course. Thank you. Thank you for watching. If you want like the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel.